Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss the concept exception. Here you can observe in this image that we are performing 1 divided by 0. We know that any value divided by 0 leads to the infinity. So in your program, if you have written an expression and it is divided by 0 and you provide it to the processor, it will go to the infinity state or halt state. So to handle such kind of errors, we require the concept exception. Here is the example for that. I am getting two values from user, that is A and B. I am performing A divided by B and displaying the answer C. So if I enter 5 and 2 as value of A and B, then it will generate answer 2.5 and integer portion will be 2. So 2 will be displayed over here. But user provide B as 0 value, then your program execution will abnormal terminated. Let us see the example in editor. Here I have written same program. I am executing this code. I am providing 5 and 2 as value of A and B. It will be generating answer 2. But if I execute same program by providing value 5 and 0, so here we are dividing 5 with value 0, and in mathematics its answer is infinity. It will be abnormally terminated. So the runtime errors are termed as exception. Exception handling is the process to manage runtime errors by covering the abnormal termination of a program to normal termination of program. So let us see how exception works. Exception having three main keywords: try, throw and catch. Let us understand try, throw and catch keyword informally. Suppose you have ordered one product online and you are trying that product. If it is not proper, then you are supposed to throw that product to the seller, and delivery boy from the seller will get the faulty product that is thrown by you. So this is very informal example of try, throw and catch. So let us see how to use it in C++. C++ exception handling mechanism is built upon three keywords, that is try, throw and catch. Try is a block which detects and throws an exception. So instructions or code that you want to monitor for runtime error, you are supposed to write that code or instructions inside try blocks. If a code inside try block generate any runtime error, then we are going to throw that error using throw keyword. So throw will be part of try block, and that thrown error will be catched by catch block. So catch block catches or handles the exception. So from try block there will be exception thrown and it will be catched by catch block. Here you are supposed to write code that will handle the exception. Let us write example for that. So we are writing basic C++ program to understand try, throw and catch. So let us write try block. Inside that I am giving some message. Then I am throwing some integer exception, that is 10, and giving message after throw. So we have written here some statements and then I am throwing some exception. To catch that exception we are supposed to write catch block. As we are throwing some integer exception, we are supposed to receive integer argument in catch block. Here I am giving one message. So let us execute this code. Here control will first go to try block. Inside that it will display message that is inside try block, and it will throw some integer exception. Control will directly move to the catch statement. That 10 will be copied to X and it will display exception code with value X, that is 10. Here the code after throw statement will not be executed. It will be executed only and only if it is not throwing some exception. Let us see divide by 0 example with try, throw and catch. Here I am scanning two values from user, and inside try block I am writing code that I want to monitor. So inside that I am checking that if value of B not 0, then I am going to perform division operation and going to display answer. But if value of B is 0, then I am going to throw exception. So to catch the exception I am writing catch block with integer argument, because we are going to throw B, that is integer over here. So in catch statement I am writing the error handling code, or we can say some message that exception code divide by 0. Let us see the same program in editor. Here I am having the same code. Let us execute this code. Enter two values. I am entering 5 and 2. it is displaying answer 2. But if I provide 5 and 0 as input, normal program will lead to the abnormal termination, but we have monitored our malicious code inside try block, so it will check if it is 0, then it will throw some exception and we are going to display message that is exception code divided by 0. So program will be normally terminated or normally executed. So this was the introduction of exception. Thank you.